Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to go to Sonic, going to get that new Bacon Ranch Queso wrap. Stay with us, we'll let you know how it is. Here we are, Sonic. Now this is the Bacon Ranch Queso wrap. They said it comes with all white meat chicken. It has melted cheese, ranch dressing, queso wrap, wrapped up in a flour tortilla. So let's see how it is, okay? What do you say? See if we can get us a bite of this. Can't hardly see it yet, can you? Hmm. See it right there? It's crispy chicken. Got the queso, cheese. How are we going to rate this one today? Well, let's see. First off, let's get us a drink here, okay? What's the mystery drink today? Okay, on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being yuck, 5 being yeah, buddy, I'm going to give this about a 3. It's pretty good. The chicken's pretty good. The queso's pretty good. Mm. Okay, well, that's the rating on it. Would have been better if it was grilled chicken instead of the fried chicken, but that's my opinion, okay? We're going to say thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Did you like it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Have you tried it yet? Are you going to try it? Leave me a comment, okay? Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Am I through? I'm going to keep eating. Like I said, it's fried chicken. I would have preferred grilled, but then again, I'm not the one that's cooking these. So, what's the mystery drink? What do y'all think of it? Have you tried it yet? Sorry for talking with my mouth full. They're not real big, and they're only $1.99. What is it? I think we need another bite. That queso's pretty good. White queso, it said. Creamy. Almost gone. I think I ate all the chicken out of it. All that's left is the cheese and the creamy queso. Yep, that's what's left. Well, have you tried this yet? Go check out our other Sonic items. Got a lot of them up there. They'll all be under the playlist called Taste Test. Then everybody has their own playlist like Sonic, Taco Bell, Subway, okay? So these will be under Sonic also. Go check them out. Got a lot more up there. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you want to see. Something you'd like to see me try. Leave me a comment. I'll see if I can get it up here for you, okay? All right, we're going to say thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. That way you won't miss any. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see. Did you like it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? That's strictly your opinion. Now, the ratings are strictly my opinion. You may differ from that. That's okay. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you differ. You like it better or worse. That's okay. All right. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing. See you next time.